You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, do it by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button and also hit the like button, all right, by clicking the thumbs up button. All right, so it's very important that you like this video, because the more likes this video gets, the more viral it goes. Okay, the more people will come across this video. If you want others to benefit just the way you're benefiting from our YouTube channel and other YouTube channels, please always like the videos, all right, and also subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section, but please keep your comment positive. Let your comment be positive at all times. All right, so I promised to teach you how to make this bag, and this is what I want to do now. Okay, now if you have been following my channel very well, by now you should have known how to fix zip clothes, right? Now the next thing is how to fix this, which is very, very simple, and I know you can do it. All right, so now this is a what do they call it, sticker, all right, as most people know it as. So you sew it on it, make sure it's very straight, okay? And then in this handle, okay, there's a pipe inside. Okay, I fixed a pipe inside, just the way jute bags are sewn, right? And then this is the side of the bag. This is the side of the bag, okay, and the side is 5 inches by 10 inches. Okay, 5 inches by 10 inches. You stitch it a bit, and then the next thing is fix your pipe. Okay, the handle is 22 inches, okay, each of it, and then the size of the bag is 12 by 27 inches. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to be fixing my zip head, okay, or runner as some people call it, Oyibo people, okay, but here we call it zip head. So the next thing is to trim off the excess zip, right? Get the center of the bag, the middle, and notch it. Notch the two sides. You also notch your sides, okay? And after that, I'm teaching you a quick method. So you place the two notch sides together, and then I will be using my belts, okay, 1-inch belts. So we'll just follow it. If you would like to join our class, our Telegram class, whereby we have pre-recorded videos, the videos are already available, where you'll be learning more on bag. If you want to really go into this business, all right, so it's well explained there. You can join our classes. If you're interested, you can check the description box for details of how to get in touch with me. Okay, so you can get, or let me drop the number. My WhatsApp number is 080-365-88365. if you're in outside Nigeria, you can add +234 to the number. So I'm using normal manual machine. So if you are the type that feel that it has to be industrial, you're wrong. So you can start with what you have. Alright, so repeat the same procedure on this other side. Okay, so I'll show you the bag finally. Alright guys, so this is what we have here. Alright, so like the video, comment in the comment section, and share with friends. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.